What's up, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whoever's watching? Hey, today is the day of days, right? The day of days. Today, I final out of this uniform, and I finally get to go be pretty much like all the rest of you, a normal human damn being, a normal human being. So I'm also going to truck driver school. And then after that, I'll be going to Universal Technical Institute to get my ASC certification in the auto and diesel, what was it? Auto and diesel professional technician power and performance course. It's a whole year long. But by the time I get done with that, well, I'll be a truck driver. I'll be a truck driver with hazmat experience. That's hazardous waste disposal or transportation, for those of you that don't know what it means. And then that's also being an ASC certified mechanic, getting more ASC certifications as I move on through life. Eventually, the whole point behind it all is to, 1, open my own shop, 2, be able to transport my own cars, and 3, to be able to repair, beef up, soup up, whatever you want to call it, tune cars, right? Making buku bucks for no apparent reason. Just because I want to. And that's all I gotta say, YouTube. That's all I gotta say, Facebook. That's all I gotta say, Instagram. I got a plan. I'm a man with a plan, and I'm gonna get it. And the one thing that was holding me back from that plan, which this doesn't hold everybody back, but you know, I gotta give them their credit. They do have things, you know, programs in the Army that actually lets you get those things before you even get out. But it's gonna be much easier for me now that I'm out, right? And just getting all that knowledge together and being able to start all those things, plus being part of a car club that has the same goals and ambitions. Oh man, I have about a 5 to 10 year goal, right? That says, hey, maybe not a millionaire, but maybe at least a freaking quarter to a half millionaire. You know what I'm saying? Making good money, living comfortably, getting paid by Uncle Sam as well, and just living my life to the fullest while doing things I love to do. I love driving trucks, I love to haul things, and I love to work on cars, and I love the tuning world. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like or subscribe button, or the like and subscribe button, all right? That way, you know, my voice gets out there, and I'll make way more videos. It'll influence me to make more videos. It'll empower me to make more videos about stuff. And if you guys have any questions about the out-processing process, I guess, when you're going through a medical retirement or just a med board in general, just hey, hit me up. I could probably shoot you in the right direction, or at least answer some of your questions if you're worried about it. All right, have a nice day.